Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Ephiu blue light glasses. These are the known prescription computer game, square, anti-Australian, eye strain, reading, gaming, eyeglass frame. So this can be used for both men and women, and you can see the blue light waves. Those are the harmful blue light that comes from the computer or the mobile that comes in the range. And these glasses are actually to protect your eyes from that strain. So this comes actually with a testing kit, and we will test these glasses at a later stage. First we will show you the glasses itself. So here I received the clear frame glasses and a black frame glasses. So these are the clear frame glasses, and you can see that the hinges are the durable stainless steel hinges, and they are the comfortable nose pads that is of plastic that fits good on your eyes or your nose, so that it will be comfortable for a long wear. So the total width is 130 mm and the lens width is 54 mm, height is 47 mm, and the bridge is 18 mm. You can also choose different shapes. So here I'm showing you the other black frame. It's of the same quality and same, only the color is different, so I will not give more time on it. And I can see is like from these glasses, like it still looks clear, where it is have a little yellow tinge when you look from it, so that you will feel it after the strain on the eyes. And this of the same size and length, and of course two pair of the glasses. And as I mentioned, that this is usually for the TV, iPad, phones, laptop, or the screen that send the blue lights on you. So I will now this also came with a glass case, the paper the cloth one, the fabric one, and you can use it there. So now I will just try to test this, and you can see that when I put the blue light directly on this the sheet, it turns a little purple. Now it's like the strain on the eyes from the blue light. And now I will put this blue light through these glasses. So you see, when I put it directly, it turns purple, and now I will focus directly on the other side, like which is white right now, and now there is no change in the color of this paper. So this shows like this is actually protecting the blue light. This glasses is looking like a filter, and it blocks the 400 to 500 nanometer lights. These are the harmful blue light to your eyes. So and then so here, like I will show you one more time. So the white portion, I will put this blue light on this white portion, and you will see that there is no purple color development on this shade through this filter lenses. And when I put directly this blue light, then there will be a change in the color. So see, I'm putting on the white, there is no change, means is this lenses are actually protecting this. And when I put it directly, see, there is a purple color, so it's affecting. So I think this is working, and these are the good filtering glasses, blue light glasses for you.